I've been waiting from many days to receive this model because this is one of the special models that Pop Race has recently launched. And as some of you might already know, I'm a big fan of Pop Race models, and I also have few Pop Race models in my collection. So yeah. So without any delay, let me quickly unbox this. So this has been put in the box to avoid any damages to the model in the transport. So as you can see here, the outer box is in grey color with the branding Pop Race mentioned on the below, and they have mentioned it on the side as well. It's attractive, and they have used pictures of the car on four sides of the box, here, here and back side of the box as well. You can see it on the back side of the box. This is not a toy, and this is for the ages 14 and above, for the adult collector. So don't mistaken it as a toy. This is a collectible model for the adult collectors. Let me quickly unbox this now. One special thing about this casting is like it has openable parts and with the magnetic dots. So you can see here we can easily remove it, and we can easily attach it.